Hey guys, just wanted to take you to a summit I did, I think late September, early October. Just bits and pieces of it. I'm not allowed to put the whole thing out there. But I just wanted to show you something because for some reason I felt like somebody needed to hear this today. Take a listen, it's not long. And I said, you know what, let me start creating some courses that I can help people just outside of who I'm helping now in my small little area. Because I don't have a team right now, it's me. So instead of that small area, so I started creating some courses. I created some investing courses because I can teach people how to take their self-directed 401k and invest in tax lien certificates in the state of Florida, earning 16 to 18% as a real estate derivative. I went and did a credit repair course because that credit repair course, these are just stuff that worked on me. I had to do it personally. So I got fired up, man. I spent probably the next month completing those courses. Ready to go. Getting ready to launch, right? I ready to launch. And then all of a sudden, right before I launched, there was that internal voice in my head. There was an internal voice in my head that said, have you forgotten your mistakes already? Who do you think you are? Who exactly do you think you are? And that stopped me. That was just kind of an internal struggle. You know what happened on that same day, though, as I had said, I had a list of about 9,000 people that had reached out to me over the years for different help in real estate, and I try and email that list frequently. And so I emailed the list, and I said, hey, who needs help with credit repair? I'm going to give you this course I just created for free. Just do me a favor and review it. It's kind of like a pre-launch, right? 9,000 people. I got one response going, yes, I'd like. I was expecting half of 1%, 45 people. I got one. So now I've got an internal struggle in my head. Hey, what's going on? What? You're not good enough. Now I have an external struggle. I sent an email to 9,000 people. One person responded. This isn't a business for you. You need to go back to helping people do short sales. Stop trying to do all this. The epiphany I had, finally, after getting out of my head, was that this business isn't about transactions, though. Forget it. It's not about me. It's about that one person I'm helping. It's not about transactions at all. This whole business, everything we're into, whether you're a broker, a loan officer, an investor, this business is about people.
I'm a man on a mission.
My mission is to help people break through all the noise out there and
Don't need no permission.
I want to help you get to actual truth. Don't you just want the truth?